Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present a topic titled complex tense, adverb clause and adjective clause. Presentation is prepared for the midterm examination English. And my name is Aidan Ramadan from Diploma Program in Information Engineering. And my name 23015109. And let's begin. First, let's talk about adverb clause. And adverb clause is a dependent clause that function as an adverb. It explains when, why, how, or under what condition an action happen. This clause usually begin with subordinating conjunctions such as when, after, because, although, if, since, and others. And next, after and once, or as soon as. On this slide, we compare after once and as soon as. Soon as. After, so that one's action happened first and the next action follow. Meanwhile, what once and as soon as, so that something happens immediately after another action. And for example, after I finish my homework, I went to sleep. This means the first action finished, then the next begins. But in as soon as I finish my homework, I went to sleep, the second action happened right away. And next, when and whenever. The different pattern when and whenever. When refers to specific time, but whenever means every time an action happen. For example, when I arrive home, I will call you. This reserved to one moment. And whenever I arrive home late, my mom gets worried. This means it's happened repeatedly every time I come home late. When and by the time. We compare when and by the time. When show a normal time reference. Meanwhile, by the time means that something has already happened before that moment. Example, when he arrived, we starting eating, but by the time he arrived, we had already finished eating. This means the action was already complete before he came. Because and know that. Next is because and know that. Because express a general reason. Know that is used when there is new situation or reason change. Example, because it's raining, we can play outside. Outside. This is a general reason. Know that you have car. You can travel more easily. Here, know that refers to new condition. Even though and even if. Here we look the difference between even though and even if. Even though describe a real and factual situation. Even if describe a possible or hypothetical situation. Example, even though it was raining, he went outside. The rain is a fact. Fact, fact, fact. Even if it rains tomorrow, I will still go. This this talk about possibility. And adjective clause selection. What is adjective clause? Now let's move to adjective clause. And adjective clause is depend clause that describe a noun. It starts with relative pronouns or relative adverbs, and it answers a question like which one, what kind, and who. Relative pronouns. Some common relative pronouns include who for people, subject, who for people, object, which for animal or thing. That for people, animal, or thing. Whose for possession. An example, the girl who help is my friend. The man whom you meet is my teacher. Relative adverb. Relative adverb where for a place. Relative adverb are where for place. And when for time. Why for reason. Example, this is the cafe where we first met. The reason why I left is personal. Next, essential and non-essential clause. Adjective clause can be essential or non-essential. An essential clause give important information and does not use comments like example, student who study hard will pass the exam. The book that I borrowed yesterday is missing. And a non-essential clause give extra information and use comments. Example, my sister, who lives is in Bandung, is visiting us, and the car, which I broke last year, is still new. That is all for my presentation about adverbs and adjective clause. Thank you for time and attention. Have a great day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.